Good. I still consider this a good performance.
Coach, what could we expect from you and the entire team after this knockout quarterfinal loss?
We will go all out, for placings. That's the least we can do as of now. So we'll try to better our finish in the last Asian Games. I think we were 7th place, so we'll try to go for maybe 5th place.
Coach, despite the loss, we saw you guys battle it out gallantly on court. Who would you dedicate this performance to?
We're dedicating it to all the Filipino people who supported us and prayed for us. Of course, I'm disappointed we did not win, but again, this team played their hearts out, and that's the best we can do. So wala na akong mahihingi pa sa kanila.
Thank you, Coach. Saludo.